Earning money from a YouTube channel is a popular aspiration, but it requires dedication, strategy, and adaptability. In this, we'll explore the step-by-step process to monetize your YouTube channel successfully. Choose your niche. Select a niche you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. Research your niche to understand its audience and competition. Create high-quality content. Invest in a good camera, microphone, and video editing software. Plan your content, script, and presentation. Aim for engaging, valuable, and unique videos. Consistency is key. Upload regularly. Optimize your channel. Craft a compelling channel name, description, and logo. Use relevant keywords in your channel and video titles. Create eye-catching thumbnails. Build your audience. Interact with your viewers through comments and social media. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. Promote your channel on other platforms. Monetization options. Understand the primary income streams on YouTube. Ad revenue. Earn from ads shown on your videos. Channel memberships offer exclusive perks to paying subscribers. Merchandise shelf. Promote and sell your merchandise. Super chat and super stickers. Let viewers pay to highlight their messages during live streams. YouTube Premium revenue. A share of YouTube Premium subscription fees. Sponsored content. Partner with brands for sponsored videos. Affiliate marketing. promote products and earn a commission on sales. Join the YouTube Partner Program. To monetize through ad revenue, meet the eligibility criteria. Have 1,000 subscribers, accumulate 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Follow YouTube's policies and guidelines. Enable advertisements. Sign up for Google AdSense to link your YouTube channel. Choose the types of ads to display: skippable, non-skippable, etc. Ad placement matters. Experiment to find the right balance. Diversify income streams. Explore multiple revenue sources for stability. Channel memberships and merchandise can provide consistent income. Don't rely solely on ad revenue, which can fluctuate. Engage your community. Offer value to your subscribers. Respond to comments and feedback. Host live streams and Q&A sessions to connect with your audience. Promote your videos. Share your content on social media. Collaborate with other YouTubers for cross-promotion. Use SEO techniques to improve discoverability. Monitor analytics. Study YouTube analytics to understand your audience. Identify trends in your content's performance.